All right, everybody, what's going on? This is going to be my first ever YouTube live stream. It's going to be pretty wild, actually, I think. So, I don't know if anybody's going to watch this, but we will see if it's working. It says we're live. I don't see a chat or anything. Okay, I think I see it now. I'm going to try to pull it up on my phone. Right now, man, IGC is going wild, but I don't trust IGC. ACRX is doing a little something. And let's see, NBEV, it's moving for sure. I actually sold mine, but I sold it like 720. I want to say that was like yesterday or something. So we're not missing out too much on there, so I'm not too bummed about that one. Let me see. Nothing too crazy, honestly. Nothing too crazy. And let's see. I'm actually going to put this in my Discord. Bear with me, everybody. Put this in my Discord. Trading stocks. Come hang out. So if you're watching this as a video, you might want to fast forward a couple of minutes. But definitely let me know if like you are watching this at all, because that'd be really cool if you were watching. I don't know. Like I said, it's my first ever time. This is my first time ever being on this channel. Besides the video that we made, we need some music, man. Definitely need some music here. Okay, so let me know what you guys are looking for. The list for me today is pretty simple. It's what we do a lot. NIO TSLA ACRX NBEV ACBFF. Nothing too crazy, like I said. ACRX, I don't have a lot of hope for this one. But you never know with that. Tesla, I'm already in. As you can see, I'm actually down 13%. My account's down 1,800 right now out of about 20 grand. So it sucks, but it's not terrible. And almost all of that's from Tesla. I'm down a little bit on CGC, about $100. But other than that, man, Tesla's clean out your alerts, son. What do you mean? Clean them out? What's up, Ray Lee? How you doing, buddy? All right. Yeah. A lot of these are just the weed stocks, man. AMRN is always on my list too. I actually probably should have added that. We were about 16 minutes away, guys. So we shall see. We shall see that yellow alert sign at the bottom. Yellow alert sign? Oh, that? Oh, dude, I've never even read that shit before. There we go. What would that alert sign even do normally? Okay. All right. So Tesla, like I said, man, if we look at this on a wider, let me see the 20-day analysis, actually, if I can just pull that up over here. You know, it does look like there's a lot of good things happening with Tesla. This is the only problem with eTrade Pro, man. Like, look how slow this shit is. But my internet is super fast. I have 300 download, 300 plus upload as well. So it doesn't work that fast. I don't know. It doesn't matter what computer I'm on, what country I'm in. I'm trying to show you, right? And it doesn't even load up the damn thing. But I'm comfortable with eTrade, so that's why I keep using it. Trying to show you guys the 20-day here, but like I said, it's just not. There we go. Okay. So I bought, let's see, 307 was, I think we right up after this dip right here is when we actually ended up buying Tesla. So right about here, 307-ish. We got it 303 and then we got it 310. And then Elon Musk was being a douche. This was after he already made the deal. They said, okay, you're good to go. And then he trolled the SEC and it has gone down so much, man. Right now, let's see, like, yeah, about 16, 17%, give or take. So I do think this bad boy is going to rebound. Yesterday was a good day. Today looks like it should be a good day for Tesla. But I mean, it's really early, right? It's kind of hard to say it's a reversal. There is some resistance here at these levels right here, like the 264, 265 area. If we can break that, though, I could definitely see it running from here. The next resistance is probably like here. It's not like a huge resistance. It's kind of hard to say, honestly. That profit would be about 3%. So that's not like a strong resistance. And as you can see over here on the left, this is probably like the most concrete support, or resistance, which is same area, like the 265. And I mean, I guess you could even say there's some resistance there. 272 with Tesla, man. It's really hard to say. It's not like a consistent pattern, unfortunately. Especially if you look at like the wire. Look at that, man. It's just all over the place on a downward trend. But hopefully we can get our money back on the 300. I'm confident we will get it back for Tesla. So on to the next one that we're looking at. And I'm not looking at IGC, actually. IGC is, I do not trust that company at all. Weird. E-Trade Pro is very fast. Really? So looking at NIO, I bought a long time ago when it first came out. Sorry, I'm all over the place. I bought NIO a long time ago when it first came out, and it was pretty wild, and it's been shitty. And then now that Tesla's doing good, all of a sudden, you know, magically, this is the 30-day or 30-minute chart. Now NIO wants to do well, so I think it's really just following Tesla, and there's a lot of hype, and the investor went from Tesla into NIO, so that really does help. It's up here right now, 845. I wanted to buy yesterday, but I didn't have enough funds. Unfortunately, NIO would have been a great buy, man. So we got about 4,000. If you look at the top right here, $4,600 to use today, so that's pretty good. Next one, we said ACBFF, which actually I really want to do well here. I think this is more of a long-term one. And the reason I think that is because it's a real company, like kind of like CGC, right? Like I don't expect huge gains, but I mean, it's only 10, $11 at this time. So I definitely could see the potential of being 20. This is pretty much at the 52-week high though. So that's really sketchy in my opinion. So I'm trying not to buy here. They did say they're going to the New York Stock Exchange, so I'm definitely trying to wait, man, more in like this range, the 9 range or something, but hopefully the hype will kind of die down. It definitely didn't boom up like I thought it would, and I think a lot of people thought that it would boom. I mean, what can you say, man? You never know with these sketchy stocks, and weed plays are getting harder and harder just because Tilray crashed, and ever since then, man, it's been tough. It used to be you could just buy a weed stock, and then 10, 20 minutes later, you would make fuckloads of money. And that's just how it was. But ever since Tilray messed it up for all of us, it has not been like that. So ACRX, not a whole lot of potential here. I know it's just kind of like a hot stock right now. And so we're looking at it. It has like a lot of interest. I don't know. Okay. For some reason on E-Trade, you can only do up to 10 minutes with the pre-market. I don't know why. So not a whole lot of gains there, man. Maybe if there's like a mega morning panic down here, let's say like 150, 170, 160, then you might be able to get a dip buy. If we bought, let's just say 175, right? 175, and we worked up. That's a huge potential just for a little tick. Up to 220 is 26%. That is massive. Even if you get, let's say right here, this line, right? 202, just up to the next mark, 227. That's 12%. That's some big gains, man. That's 22% just for this. You know, you can get this little itty bitty ticker 20 cent fast, man, and that's massive with this stock. So I don't know. I might play it. It's looking okay. NBEV, which I was holding yesterday. Actually, I sold it yesterday because it was just crashing hard. I think I sold around $7, and I just had enough, and it's recovering, but I bought it like 8. So that was just one I was like, this isn't worth it. NBEV, I don't see it really holding this. Definitely would think there's going to be a morning panic down here, at least to around the $6 range. I don't know if you looked at it yet, but XLF is worth a gander. Okay, XLF. All right, let's check that out, guys. If there's any other people watching, definitely call it out, and we will look at it. XLF. All right. All right. So, okay, let's look at it at the 20-day. On the 20-day. See what I'm talking about? Like freezes and shit, man. This happens all the time on E-Trade Pro for me. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the new chart or look at that. It just sits there. So sorry about that, guys. Later in the future, maybe I'll stop using E-Trade for just showing these videos and shit. Okay, looking at the 20-day. That's actually not bad. I mean, it's pretty much on a downward. Okay, let's look actually at the 3-month before I speak out my butthole. Definitely some good consolidation on the right side. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. That's not bad. Wow. Okay, that's actually a really strong upward trend when you look at it this far. Okay, that's good. Good consistent gains. Consolidating here. Didn't make higher highs, which kind of worries me. In the bigger picture, though, it's not totally not like its pattern. Like right here, You can see it kind of did that thing. Look at all those colors and stuff flipping around. So that's definitely on the daily chart. Let's just try to, let's see. It's not oversold. It's pretty healthy. It's 50. The MACD's kind of curling up. It's really just more of a straight pattern, I'd say there. So not bad volume either, honestly. That's not a bad call, XFL. So let's just look at the margin of profit here. I want at least like 5% gains or it's not worth it. Okay, so let's do it here. Next resistance like here. It's about 1.8%. 2% at these levels. Let's just say it hit all the way at this top resistance, 3%, and if it broke that, 5%. Yeah, that's not really worth it for me. 5% at best, and if we go for a much larger resistance up here, 6%. Yeah, that would be more, in my opinion, for me. That just wouldn't be worth it right now unless you're going to hold it for a while. But I mean, it looks like it would work pretty well. So let's look at the 5-minute here. It's a little better. It's a fund that follows bank stocks, and all the earning reports are coming up. Finance sector should, okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It looks like a good hold. Not really intraday as much, but here, guys, I have so many EMAs, I forgot which one's which. 50-day is the blue, and I think I took off the 200-day. It was all over the place. I've been doing a lot of intraday. This one's 8. So I like the intraday like lower, and it doesn't really matter which one you use, in my opinion, as long as you find one that follows the pattern and you say, okay, this is working for me or not. And yeah, XLF, it's pretty much all over the place. We got about 7 minutes, guys, until the market is going to open. So this is going to be pretty cool. And like I said, we got about $4,000 to spend today. I don't know if you guys see any other hot stocks. Definitely let me know, man. Like I would love to find some hot stocks, and consider looking at other things. I don't have a really good scanner or anything that I'm using right now, so I'm definitely open to anything moving, and possibly a panic. I like the panic plays a lot more. I like it when there's a nice sell-off off of good news, preferably, and then straight into it. So IGC, I don't know why that's moving. I think NIO is probably the best right now, but I don't want to buy it right now until I see, like I said, some just really good panic here. It didn't really do much yesterday. It just pretty much took off end of day, which I do like to see. That's really good pattern for me. 34%, up 34% if you're holding from yesterday. So I definitely think we're going to see a panic sell here. If I had to bet my money, I would say we should panic to at least $8 or slightly under. And then if we got 8 back up to where we're at now, it's about a 5% gain. That's not bad, but I'd like to see more of a panic if I'm going to get into NIO, because I could definitely see this one going further and further, and then throughout the day moving up. So we don't want to buy like pre-market right now. I don't want to buy pre-market at least. Looking at my watch list, IGC is 20%, NBEV and NBEV is 14%, NIO 12%, Tilray, which I don't fuck with anymore, 2%. Tilray actually had some good news yesterday, and so did CGC. So I'm surprised that CGC went down like 5% yesterday. I'm down 4.69%, which I couldn't believe. But like I said, CGC I have a lot of confidence in. I would hold that. I'm willing to hold that for a week or two or a month, or whatever it took to make my money back. CGC is definitely that weed stock that's like you trust. AMRN, I've been following a lot. I've made good money on that one. We have 5 minutes till the bell, by the way, guys. This one has been really good for me. The last couple of days have been bad, but like I said, I'm not holding it. But if we could get a rebound here, let's just see what the profit could be. If we start at like the 1758, going up to the next resistance, 5%. So nothing crazy, but it feels like intraday. It's not bad. So yeah, I mean, there's some potential there. It moves fairly quick, actually, so it wouldn't be like a super long hold. You could probably trade that every day. Like I said, guys, if you find anything, any good stocks, call these bad boys out, man. Let's talk stocks. Let's see what's going on here. And let's see. Yeah, NIO though, man. NIO for me is looking pretty good. All right, so we're starting to see a little bit of a decline here. Like I said, I'm predicting 8. I would like to see under 8. That'd be fantastic. Morning panic. You see a lot of volume. You see a lot of people interested. Right now, we're at 6.7 million volume. That is a lot of volume. On my watch list, the stocks with the most volume is NIO ACRX, AMD, which I'm not messing with AMD anytime soon until it goes to like 20. If it doesn't go to 20, I'm just not going to mess with it. I missed that train, so it is what it is. I'm not going to chase. 829. Okay, great. We are breaking our 50-day right here. It needs to go over the 50-day, but for me, this is good because I want to enter. Oh, okay. We're starting it. We're starting to see a sell-off. That's good. I would love to see under this support. It's not really support because I mean, it was pre-market, but I would love to see right in the 780 range before we buy in. That'd be sick. Oh, yes, there it is. There's the sell-off I was talking about. I knew it. There's no way. It ran too much, but under 8, count me in. But I won't put my full position in just in case that I buy too high. So yeah, definitely. CGC is moving down for me. Tesla's actually up 2%, which 2% for me is massive. Or no, I'm sorry, $2 a share. That helps a lot. 1%. Okay, here it is. Here's that panic. Yes, perfect. This is what I wanted. This is great. This is what we need. I would love to keep going down. 2 minutes. Keep it coming. Keep coming down. We're gonna watch it. If it starts, if people start buying it up really fast, then I'll decide if we're gonna pull the trigger or not, or when we'll pull the trigger. But I would love to be in NIO right now. Yep, I feel bad for all people buying pre-market. You know, people have FOMO, man. Fear of missing out, right? They want to buy because they see everybody getting it, and I'm gonna miss out. Who cares, man? If you miss out, like, you have to take all the emotion out. That's what I do. I take out all my emotions. And 816, there it is. Too easy, right? All right, so we're gonna get our buy ready, and just in case, because a lot of these morning panics, they don't last long. But like I said, you don't really know how long they're gonna last. So you kind of, I don't know. It's all experience. So we'll probably go for 250 shares here, and that's about $2,000. So that's not too much. And that's what you want to see, like a buy and then a strong buy, and then that's, for me, in my personal experience, what's worked the best for me. But like I said, I'm not going to pay these numbers. I want to pay closer to the $8 or 780 would be fantastic. So I could see it. Oh, goodness. Yes. 808. Yep. We're looking good, guys. RSI is very oversold, though. But that's on the 1 minute. Let's check out the 5 minute here. On the 5 minute, it's becoming oversold. It's getting there for sure. Okay. That's good. It's really good. We got 1 minute, guys. This is really good. This is a good sign for us. I would love, I know I keep saying I would love to see it keep going down some. And we'll see how the market reacts here. It's not a good enough deal that I'm like, okay, I want to buy it this second, right? So we have to see. I've been burnt too many times buying without. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right, 807. Keep going down. 810. So far, bears are winning. It's a bad sign for other people. That's a good sign if you're buying. That's a bad. All right. Volume's crazy. I think a lot of people are taking profits. It would only make sense if you were holding from yesterday. Okay, that's a good sign. Okay, but I want to see it push above the EMA. Okay, that's a good sign. That's a really good sign right there, but I'm not going to fall for it just yet. Not just yet. That's a really good sign. Okay. Can we get above the EMAs? And even the 8 days, good. It seems to perform really well above the 8 day. That's a great sign. Is this going to be a false breakout, though? We should have probably rode that, but that's okay. I'm actually considering buying this in just a second. Let me see. Wait. Oh, there it is. There it is. Is it going to hold, though? I don't know. I'm not like a super risky guy, so that's why. Okay. And it's gone. Okay. I can't tell, man. I can't tell. It's a little too soon for me. There it is. Glad I didn't buy there just yet. Holding off, holding off. It's not holding. It's not holding very well. It's only been a minute, though. Not holding. Yep, really glad I didn't pull the trigger there. I'm actually liking it at this level. If we can get 810, I might just buy it, actually. Oh, 815, 813. There we go. Perfect. This is it. This is what we needed. All right, I'm going to buy. Buying here if I can. I should have put market. Come on, hit my number. Ah, that's where I wanted it to. Fuck. Okay. Now it's moving. All right. Change order. Hit 805. Hit 805. Come on. Hit 805. We're almost there. Come on. Hit me. Hit me. I don't want to chase. 805. 805. 805. Hit me. Hit me. Yes. Yes. Hit me. Hit me. So close. Oh my God. We got it. Okay. All right. We got 805 here. And we spent $2,000 and we're up. Okay. So I like the way it's holding. I don't know how long we're going to hold here. We're making money. It's 807. Like I said, I like this support line kind of for the pre-market. It could go down a lot more though, so I'm not really sure. But I have a lot of confidence at this level. Oh, 790. Oh my God. Woo, that's crazy. Okay. That might be an abort. Okay. Down 3%, $60. It's too hard to tell though. Okay. Yeah, 3%, 4%. We did get in pretty good. Actually gonna buy more here. And I have 2,000 more. Oh, this is just, no, I need these levels. Let me in. Okay. NIO. I want this level. This is a good level. Come on. Come on, let me in. 790 is good level. Okay. We got $3,500 worth now. We have 450 shares. I like that. That was a really good dip. Really good panic. I hope we can hold here. So our average is at exactly $8. It's not bad at all. That's good. That's a good sign. Come on. And let's just look at it. But it's not bullish until it gets up more. On the 5-minute, it's not looking good. Not at all. But it's not bad just yet. It's getting close to where we need it to be. If we could just get up here, man, in the 815 range and hold that, we could see a good run. A lot of people taking profits here. Up 7%. If you held it from yesterday, man, you're up at least 20%. So 14 million volume. Wow, wasn't it just at like 7 million or something? A lot of that is selling though. We're down 1%. 1.5%. You can see up there. Okay, looking good. All right. I'm gonna put some music on for you guys. Copyright free, since we don't have anybody talking. If you're watching this and you're on my YouTube channel, let me know. Say like if you're from my YouTube and you're watching it. I guess you'd have to be on YouTube. Hashtag watching or something. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good. Okay. Some short selling maybe. Okay. Down 2%, so I'm not too scared yet. $63, nothing crazy. Once we hit that 5% range, I'll probably pull it out just to make sure we minimize some risk. I can't believe CGC is down even more right now. That's some fantastic news yesterday. Actually, Tesla is having a big sell-off. I might need to pull out. Something's going on. This thing's been following. I'm going to look up right now. This thing's been following Tesla. Something bad might have happened with Tesla. We need to find out like right now. If anybody watching knows, let me know for sure. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why Tesla would be selling off right now. It's only down 2%, so nothing crazy, but I don't see any news on E-Trade about Tesla. This is getting a little worrisome. We're down 2.5% on this. 780. That's not good. That's not good. But it is kind of on a support here, so it's not the worst thing. Now, if it breaks below this 780 here, as you can see on this left side, I'll definitely be worried. Around, I'd say like 770 is like, okay, bail. It's holding though. It's holding decent. It's definitely a downward trend though. So definitely a riskier play. We'll see. Come on, what are we doing here? 5 minutes probably gonna look bad. We bought before confirmation, which of course isn't good. We're down 1%, so it's moving down 0.63. Okay, all right, but it's just not breaking above. Come on, push, push, push. This is again on the 1 minute. That's good. L2. Wow, 16 million. That's another 2 million volume. This is a good one. I think we're gonna be okay here. We're up 1%. Oh, that's good. That's good. It's really good. Come on. Come on, keep it going. RSI is still healthy on the 1 minute. MACD's curling around. Good volume coming in. Volume out the butthole right now. Look at that. Almost 17 million now. Wow, flying. We're still up 1%. Okay. Okay. Let's check out that 5 minute. Doesn't look as impressive in the 5 minute, right? Yo, Ray Lee, yes, go NIO, go! Push it, push it! Okay, come on. Oh, all right. Like I said, we're above the, this is the 8-day. It performs pretty well above the 8-day, actually. That's more of the bullish for what I've seen. It's not above the VWAP, which sucks. Okay, that's not good. Still not bad. We're down 0.5%. I mean, it's 11 bucks, right? So still got another 1,000 laying around, but I'm not going to put it all in NIO, especially at these levels. And I haven't seen nothing crazy good coming out of it. Like I said, Tesla's down 2% right now. That's not good. I don't know why Tesla's down right now. It says there's news. I looked it up, but I didn't see anything good or bad. It was just like generic crap. Okay. Can you guys hear the music? Is it too loud or perfect or what? NBEV, I'm still glad I got out of that. It's going down. Come on, baby. IGC, fuck that stock. I'll buy IGC if it's like $2. Other than that, no way. Too much of a gamble. ACBFF down. CGC's slowly working its way up. This is not looking too bad, guys, on NIO, honestly. Is it amazing looking? No. But we got it such a good level. $8 is really good for right now. Yesterday, obviously, $8 sucked, but it's not a bad level right now. Looking at 5 minute. Music's good. Yeah, 5 minutes. It's not bad. I mean, we so far, right? We survived the morning panic, and I like that. It's slowly getting there. How much can we make here? Potentially, let's see, $8. It's right here. We could make, if it recovered 4%, but that's not bad if we could sell it early. I mean, this is more of like a long term, not super long term. Like long term for me is like 6 hours, honestly, or like till the next day. That's not a good sign. $18 million volume right now. Holy crap. That's wild. That's a lot. Oh. Ooh, that's bad. Come on. Down 1.5%. We're gonna look at it at a... You guys like seeing this larger one? Or you don't really care? Ooh. Okay, things are getting bad. We're below that 780. Almost, wait. Yeah, that's it right here. We're gonna have to pull out if it gets any lower. Oh, that's not good. I really see this one going up too. Oh, 777. Oh, oh. That's bad. Oh my God, that is terrible. 5% almost. That's bad. We're not at 5% yet. 5% is the most I want to lose here. All right, let's check the news. It says there's news for it. I doubt it's real news. Like I said, it's just following Tesla right now, man. You know, it did good as soon as Tesla did good, coincidentally, right? And then it does bad. Okay, let's see. This is news according to E-Trade. Copyright Dow jump. That means nothing. Oh my goodness. Okay. 5%. Now it's like, okay. I'll give it another shot if it doesn't bounce here. I don't know. It does have 20 million volume though. That's the thing. 20 million volume is a lot. 5%. 160 bucks down. Okay. CGC is killing me. Down 6%, which is 120 bucks. Luckily, I only put 2 grand in that. Tesla's really hurting. Tesla down 1.85% for the day. Why? Man, the stock market sucks these days. I wish I had some puts or something, but I don't really play options like that. 2.7. It's hard to tell right here. $7.70. I'll hold the rest of the day if it can hold here, but you know, I know a lot of people are waking up saying, holy shit, I made all this money since yesterday. But we have to hold this. This is really, really important. We've already broke that last support, and we really have no support right now. Not for intraday, at least. Very oversold, though. That's one good thing. Very, very oversold. And this isn't like a super sketchy stock, so I like that it's oversold. Well, not since I bought it, but yeah, this thing's failing. Down 160 bucks right now. Oh God, what are you doing? What are we doing here? Oh no. 6%. Come on. What are we doing here? Why are we selling? I really should get out. But it's got too much volume. 22 million, dude. It's got too many people watching this. Too many people to watch this. I think someone's going to buy this out. There's no way. That's just too much volume. Down 200 bucks. If I put like 10 grand in it, I'd be a little more scared. Like I put 12 grand in Tesla, so I was, you know, that's a lot more painful when you're down 5%. 200 bucks. It sucks. But it's definitely not the worst here. Okay. What are we doing here? Oh man. Alright. I think I've seen enough. I'm gonna sell half if it hits 749. Wait, why is it showing me CGC? Okay, NIO. It's reversing actually. Hold on. It's a little too early. Alright, we'll do 225. Stop loss 749, and that'll be about an $80 loss if it does hit it. So we'll sell half our position if it hits down. Curling around, but I don't trust it right now. It's gonna have to go back up to the 8 range for me to really trust it. Especially on the 1 minute. 1 minute really tricks you. All right, let's look at the 5. Lower lows. Yeah. 23 million, almost 24 million volume now. That, like I said, that's like the reason I'm holding. That's a lot of people interested, man. That's like the freaking whole stock market's looking at this right now. Tesla's only got, how much? Tesla's only got 1 million. It's almost down 3% though, so that sucks. Also, Tesla's more expensive, I know, but still. That's a good sign. It's a good sign. But holding above this 8 EMA is so important. We really need to break that VWAP if we're gonna have any gains here. And we're getting rejected again. Come on, push it. Push it with me, guys. Push it. Push it real good. Now. rejected. I think we're gonna hit our stop loss on that half. Yeah, like I said, I'll let the other half ride out through the day, but I don't want to be 450 shares deep for the rest of the day. It's just because right now we're down 150 bucks, which isn't terrible, but I don't mind losing under 100 bucks. You know, that's you're gonna lose sometimes. Right now I'm losing everything on all stocks, but I mean, you're gonna lose sometimes, but as long as I can manage it within 100 bucks ish, I'm not too sad. But more than that hurts. You know, on a $20,000 account, you know, what's 100 bucks? You know, okay, it's hit this level a couple times. It's about the third time. Still not feeling too bullish yet. 24.5 million volume though. That's really good. I like that. Okay. Okay. Still in that 749 as our selling. Sorry, I get all my colors mixed up. The 20-day EMA is not even the VWAP yet. I'd love to hit that VWAP and go for the 50-day. 50-day apparently is a lot more reliable here for a bullish. It's weird because down here in the pre-market, it wasn't bullish. It was all about the 8 EMA that I have, the pink one, or red. I don't know how it's showing on your guys' screen. Yeah, this week's been shit, Ray. This week's been terrible for stocks. Unless you were short biased. If you're short biased, man, ballin' rich. Damn, Tesla, what happened, dude? Down 3%. Why? There's got to be some news that like E-Trade isn't updating or something. Maybe the people know the Tesla deal's not going to go through. If that doesn't go through, that stock's going to hit under 200. I hope it does, man. Rose more than 5% on Tuesday in heels, which predicted the stock would jump more than 60% in 12 months. Blah blah blah. Wall Street an average of $304 percent according to. No, the news isn't bad. I don't know. They put news in front of a lot of crap that's not really news. The entire market's red. Yeah, definitely, dude. Wow, Tesla's the leader in red right now for me. All wheat stocks are down, except for IGC and NBEV. They were up way more, though. I'm glad I didn't buy ACRX. I was watching it, but it didn't look that great. It was just kind of on the list. This isn't looking good either. I think we're going to get stop loss here. We're down 3%. 4%. It's just not holding. Yep, looks like we're about to get stopped on the half. So we're actually 3,500 bucks in it. Okay, yep, about to get stopped. Come on, baby, hold this. That is, yeah, there's no support at all. Look at that. None. Let's look at like 20 day. It's really hard to say. I think this thing has only been around for like a month, so 20 day. That's still showing me 2 days. It's freaking E-Trade Pro, man. This bad boy does not load. Look at that. Woo. Okay. Okay. If we break here, it's a higher high. Please. Please. Man. What's going on with the market these days? I don't know. I hope the bull market's not ended. That'd be so sad. Guys, this sucks, man. Any new viewers out there? First time viewers? Any first time viewers? It just does not want to break 778. It's like really hurting it right here. It's above the 8 EMA. Come on. Market's just bleeding in general. I hope that's why Tesla's just bleeding. Damn, that thing's down almost 4% right now. It only went up 5% yesterday. We're really close to getting back to where we need to be. It never consolidated, so that worries me. But at least it didn't make a lower low there. Let's check out the 5-minute here on NIO. This is pretty much my only day play for the moment. Mark's just too sketchy. I'll probably trade the other 1,000 later. That's not a bad sign, but it's not a good sign. It's just kind of eh. It's either gonna go up or down, right? I know it's a stock market. Yeah, I know. This is bad. I can't believe weed plays are bad right now. We are just like 7 days away. Like seriously, 6-7 days away from weed being legal. Sell the news, boys. That's what happened on us. CGC is down. I'm down 9% since yesterday on CGC. That's nuts. Absolutely nuts. Off of fantastic news. The FDA gave them approval and they shipped it to America for the first time. I don't know if they're the first ones. I think they were. It's either them or Tilray. And it goes down 10% since yesterday. That's nuts. I'm pretty scared about weed stocks right now, man. ACBFF down 2%. Glad I didn't buy that one. Cron. I haven't bought that in forever. Cron's been sucking, man. IGC, NBEV. Excuse me. Those are the only weed stocks that I have that are on my watch list that are green. Everything I own is green or red. This is bad, man. This is the second week of bad trading. Not just for me, it's like the market in general. It's just bloody red. It's payback for making money. I swear, guys, if this is your first time watching me live stream, this week and last week, the only bad ones we've had for months. Like, I made like 3,000-4,000 last month. I was really happy. Well, not last month, between the 2 months. So I was really happy. You know, I don't usually do more than a couple thousand on my positions just in case. So it's good for me, right? I know if you're like,
oh, but I saw this guy, he got $10,000.
yeah, well, I didn't. Consolidating here. Okay, we're slowly inching up. It's looking okay. It's looking okay. Yeah, okay. All right. Oh, okay. Hey. All right. We're getting there little by little. It's still a little too early. We need to get above 8 again, honestly, for anything. And above this VWAP is so important right now. We're not even close to the VWAP. Now we're kind of close, actually. Wow, that happened fast, didn't it? Okay. All right, we're down 1%. We are almost breaking even. Pretty much that VWAP is our even point, pretty much. Oh, and down she goes. Come on. What are we doing here? Close, man. We're close. Sorry. Or at least going in the right direction. I didn't sell at 749 at minimum. So close to that VWAP. Check out the 5 minute here. Five-minute looks decent in comparison to the 1 minute, honestly. Maybe just use the 5 minute. So we're almost 30 minutes in. Most action is usually the first 30 to 60 minutes of the day, and then like the last hour or so. Pretty much the same times, 2 hours on each, whatever. So that kind of worries me as well, honestly. But hopefully the panic is over. Hopefully, it's hard to say. Strong, that's a strong green candle. First one was okay, second one was kind of neutral-ish. And the third one's good. But again, this sell was massive too, so I really don't trust it until we hold 8 for a while. But we are breaking even. We're 4 pennies off. Really glad we didn't sell there. Damn, Tesla's murdering me right now. Oh my God. Tesla's at back to its 52-week low, basically at 253. I just saw it 252 a second ago. Cron's down like crazy. Oh, ACRX is moving. Hold on, let's check that out. ACRX, what's going on here? Oh, some news? No, I don't see any news. Oh, what's going on here? So supposedly company debt held bonds are seeing a huge sell-off that's causing panic. Oh, ACRX not holding here actually. Not holding just yet. It could be a dip, but NIO's going back down to 784. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with ACRX right now. Not enough volume. I don't like low volume stocks. We're at 28 million on NIO. I don't trust this right now. I mean, we might miss out, but it's okay. I'm willing to miss out. I think the percentage gains are huge though, right? That would be 9%. You'd have to really shoot up here. So we got from here about 314. It would only be 5%. Yeah, it's not worth it for me at this point. Not right now. We'll just keep watching NIO. NIO's looking okay though. If we can hold here. If we don't hold here, we're just gonna lose more money. Down 1.5%. On the 5 minute though, it's good. On the 5 minute, we're doing fine. So. Yeah, 5 minutes looking okay. Now we're pushing. Slowly pushing. Let's keep pushing. Almost 30 million volume on NIO. Oh, there we go. Come on. Can we get 805? I feel like bingo. 805, 805, 806, 806. Can we get 806? Somebody in the group chat shorted Disney. Oh, why? Why short Disney? I like Disney. 805. There we go. 804. 803. Come on. That's good. We're definitely moving in the right direction. Okay, I'm up 1% now. There we go. Okay. Ooh. Come on. Like I said, almost 30 million now on the volume. It's going up super fast. And I keep checking. It says there's news, but news on E-Trade is trash, man. Like anybody can write the exact same article, like copy and paste, and it's like news. Okay, it says shares. This is the news. Shares of NIO revved up after large stake disclosed by Tesla. Oh, that hurts, man. 80. This guy owns 85.3 million shares of NIO, representing about 11% of the company. Oh God, totaling $515 million. That disclosure provides NIO with some much needed credibility after the stock had tumbled by 56%. To rewind, NIO's 160 million ADS IPO charged at 626. So yeah, that's where it started. I remember that. 626. We're at 8. That's not terrible. We're still green right now. Slightly, not like anything wild. I'd like to make at least $100 here. at least. But like I said, NIO is more of a longer. All three stocks I have right now are more of a long term. I usually do intraday, but CGC is long term. NIO is fairly long term. Tesla was supposed to be very long term, but that shit's been raping me. Can't believe it's down another 5% today. That's just, it's at 250. Man, let's check out Tesla. That is bad, dude. That is really bad. Wow. My goodness. Can we get some help on Tesla? That has to be the new 250 week low. Super oversold though on the 5 minute. Like ridiculously oversold. I don't know here. If you guys see any good stocks, call them out. If we can hold this 8, like I said, above, I feel better. $790 again. We're going the wrong way again. I'm actually gonna, I'm just not liking NIO right now. That half, we're gonna move it up to sell it to, I'm just not liking the way the stock's moving. At 760, we'll take about a $60 loss on that half. So I put in the stop loss for 760. 749, I would have lost like another 20-30 bucks or something like that. So I just kind of want to get out of this position. 3,500 is a little too much for the risk here right now, and I feel more comfortable. What's that, like 1250-ish? Something like that. The world is burning. I know, right? It's, just it's looking bad, Ray. It's looking bad. The whole market looks awful. ACRX is moving though. ACRX, but it's kind of approaching that midday. Okay, so it actually went up, but again, it's only a couple percent, so it's just not worth it for me. Not on a stock that I'm not familiar with. That's super sketchy. Check out AMRN. That's a huge downward. I don't know. Everything I normally love and just make money on is just doing bad, man. Damn, dude, it's like a mini recession. Second week in a row. It's only down 1.5%, so I like that. That's good, but it's so choppy. Up, down, up, down. Look at that. Oh, just going all over the place on the 5 minute. That's the 1 minute. Was making higher highs. Now it looks like it's really hard to say. It's really tough. I don't know. Stock market used to be so easy. It's all good just a week ago. $31 million. Wow, that's a lot of money. So I'm thinking midday this baby's gonna go down a lot, and then probably end of day shoot back up. Right here, this red one, that's where we'll be selling half if it hits there. Down $70, 2%. Man, I broke the PDT rule, so if you're wondering why I don't short, that's why, on my other account. So I can't use that one anymore, so I had to transfer my money over here, and all I can do is longs on a cash account, which I think is ridiculous, but whatever. So unpredictable right now, this market, man. Tesla's down 5%. Ugh. It's like another $500 today for me on Tesla, but I'm still holding it. I mean, we're down 18%. There's just, it's too late. Like, there's no way. I'm holding that bitch for a year if I have to. I'm not losing 2,300. It is hitting this $8 though. I like that. Come on, hold above the VWAP. Again, the 5 minute kind of makes me feel better about myself. Look, that's like, okay, cool. Like psychologically, it's better, I think. We pushing. Let's push. We're almost breaking even. We're breaking even actually on the dot. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see it up here. We're at $8. There you go. Come on. Come on. So close. We're so close. Come on. What are you guys watching right now? Any stocks? I forgot to log my trade. Bought NIO $8 flat after payment. Hold it. Stock market's been open almost 40 minutes. It's not good. 32 million volume. Still slowing down on the volume as well. Spread's healthy. 1 penny. I like that. Especially on a stock like this. Till rate was crazy, man. I remember that day for 300. That thing was like, oh my god, it would move $10, $20. Like, shoo, 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 shoo. I made so much money. That was awesome. Wheat stock in August and September was really good. August was the best though. August was like the best trading of my life. Easiest money. Anything with weed would just automatically make you money. Any weed stock. This freaking new weed stock, money. Oh, this one just came out, money. Like, it didn't matter what it was. Cron, CGC, Tilray, A-Leaf, like NBEV, IGC, anything. Any weed stock you bought in August was like crazy. September, the beginning of September was good. Middle of September was okay. I think the end of September was starting to get bad. And October hasn't been great. It's all thanks to Tilray. Tilray fucked it. Like I said, I did make a lot of money off it, so I can't be too sad. I bought it like 180 that day and sold it 280 or 288. And man, only thing I would regret is not having more money in it. We're breaking even again. It's definitely holding these levels. And it would appear the morning panic is over. But just don't know. DT, I haven't looked at that one in a while. I think that's a weed stock. I don't remember why that's on my watch list. That's down 7%. Really glad I got out of NBEV. It's down to $6 now. Like I said, I got out about like what, 7? Bought at 8. It's just going down and down. NBEV I actually do have confidence in, and NBEV had decent news this morning too. I'm just shocked that CGC's down. Fantastic news. Fantastic. They finally shipped to America legally with the American government, the FDA's approval. Okay. You know, I know some really good ETFs that would be fantastic to buy right now that work when the market's doing shit or going shit. JDST is usually pretty good in these situations. And then, what's the other one? Is it Drip? I think Drip's the bad one. Yeah, Drip's doing well. Yeah, when the market does bad or poorly, performs poorly, Drip does well because it's oil. JDST is gold. So gold goes up because this is gold when the market's shit. So, I mean, look at that. You would have made some sick money between today and yesterday. Shit, all these days, really. When the market's bad, JDST goes up. And so to drip for oil. Oh, 815, 815. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're up 2%. Okay. Now we're moving. Now we're moving. Tesla's still down pretty heavy. Okay. All right, we're going in the right direction. All right, we're up. That's what I wanted to see. I'm glad we helped. Almost sold out for a second there. But I knew the volume was just too good. 34 million volume. Now it's picking up a little bit. Okay. Great. That's great. Can we hold this though? We did break the VWAP. We broke it earlier. Barely. RSI is pretty good. MACD's curling. Let's check it out in the 1 minute. 1 minute will make you give a damn. Or the 1 minute makes me have a heart attack. Higher highs here. Please make higher lows as well. If you like playing gold-based securities, check out DGLD. It's an inverse gold fund, man. Oh, nice. Yeah, there's a lot of those. They can make you good money. I don't mind ETFs because I like putting a lot of money in ETFs, like 5,000, and make 5%. Because you know, when I play these sketchy plays, I generally, not NIO, but I generally won't put in too much. Like if I play a penny stock, I'll probably put in like $1,000, $700. Every now and then like 2,000 if I'm feeling confident. But you know, in an ETF, I feel a lot more confident because it's so slow, right? You can pull out, which like with this NIO one, right? Like it's really hard to lose a lot of money. It's easy to lose some money, but it's hard to lose a lot of money on a stock like this. It's because it's moving so slow. You have a lot of time. You're like, oh, okay, there's a panic. Sell, right? Where penny stocks, oh my god. Penny stocks are so sketchy. I do not hold penny stocks though. That shit, I've learned my lesson like last year about that. Remember, I made 15,000 in a day. Off of 5. So it might have been even a little bit more, I don't remember, but I sold it for about 20 grand, give or take. It might have been 19, it might have been 21, but I made about 15,000 in about a day and a half. I think I held it overnight. Yeah, I held it overnight. It was about a day and a half total. Okay, this is not looking great again. Oh, these cocksuckers, man. What are you doing? Stop ruining the stock. All right, that makes me depressed. Let's check out the 5. On the 5 minute, it's not terrible yet. The 1 minute, awful. Terrible. Oof, 784. What are we doing here? I'm still gonna hold it. It's okay. Still gonna hold it. Down 1.5%. Tesla's still down 4%, a little over 4, so we recovered about a percentage almost. Wow. DT's getting murdered. ACRX didn't really move much. I'm glad I didn't buy that. Might have made 5% at most if I bought it at the perfect times. Not liking NIO here. Not at all. I like this song. I'm feeling it. Oh man, the market today. NVIDIA, I'm glad I sold that. Sold that at 290, I think, or 285. Made like 4 or 5%. Now it's at 253. It's terrible. Where's AMD at? AMD. 7%. Oh my God, AMD. Dude, the market is trash right now. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm just gonna sell it. Fuck it. The other half. It's not worth it. This is too sketchy. So right now we will take a little less than 2% loss. 1.5 it says, give or take. So it took about $40 loss. It's too sketchy right now. I'm not liking it. Yeah, I sold that. So now we are still in for 225 more shares. Actually about 1,800. It says we're making money now. Of course, right after I sell it. But it's just too sketchy. I don't want to have a position that big. Oh, I'm sorry. We lost $51 up here. It says. I must have got shit on that market sell. We're just gonna ride this one out. So I'm gonna stop the stream, everybody. Going to probably play some StarCraft, and yeah, if we make money, I'll update you guys. Or either way, I'll update you guys on what happens. So peace out, everybody. I'll still be in the Discord if you guys are a member of the Discord. And just going to let this other half ride out. There's no reason to watch this. Peace out, guys, and I hope you did better than me today. Later.